Hi guys, my name is David. Uh, I'm a victim of Secret Service criminality in Hungary and in the UK, and this is just an update, a legal update. Sorry for how I look. I had a really long day, and the torture today is so disgusting and it's so brutal. Voice to skull, and the attacks to my spine, the back of my neck, my face. That's why I look like shit. And because I didn't have time to go to the barber, it's just extremely brutal, and it's fucking disgusting. I wouldn't even go to the details because these motherfucking satanic orphan motherfucking mental ill pieces of shit, they thrive if they see that the victim is suffering. So I'm not gonna give them that fucking pleasure to even mention the fuckers. Not that I don't know who they are, but their time will come, and now, not in a romantic biblical way that God is gonna take care of them. Something else is gonna be taking fucking care of them. But that's something else. Today is just a legal update. So I filed my court case at the UK High Court. I can't talk about it now because it's already in. So I think I don't think I know that it's now. I cannot. You cannot share details of an ongoing court case, but I'm bringing the criminals to justice as much as I can without without the help of well, not completely without the help of a lawyer, because in Cyprus, when I lived there, I got a lawyer who started to help my case, but then it was sabotaged and then I have to move. And then in the UK, I also did find some legal help, but it's complicated, and also, as I said, I cannot talk about it now. But I just wanted to do this update to just to share it, because I think it's good news. I think everyone should be doing it, but even me, who I'm not scared of people. Like, if I have to, I don't want to say the words because I don't want to come across as an aggressive person. But if I have to do the worst to defend myself, I will do it. I don't care about the consequences, because it's the end of the day. They are psychopaths. They're murderers. So they come out from prison and mental institution and being groomed by terrorists and Secret Service criminals. So they are serial killers in a sense. So at the end of the day, it's either you or them. So I'm not scared of people, but I can understand that some victims, it's hard for them to go legal because they are scared that their torture is gonna get worse or they kill them. But the fact is, they are murdering you anyway. So you're not getting voice to skull that will never be turned off. Sorry. Or synthetic telepathy, or brain-to-brain transmissions, or whatever the fuck they call it. It's on to destroy you. It's not on to make you more beautiful. As you can see in my face, how fucked up it is. The biowarfare attacks, the gas. Like, even when I was today somewhere else, not at home, I could actually feel that they pumped the gas through the door. And I can confirm that now 100% that they are pumping gases, and not just the victims' homes, but where the victim is, in another building. If you spend more time there, they pump gas through under the door and through the ventilation system. Because today I actually went and I investigated it, and I realized it's coming from under the door. So this is what this fucking degenerates do, and that is being done with the HARP system. Because it's an area of fucking research, and obviously, the military contract doesn't allow experimenting on people. But, if a contract starts in the US and it says, okay, aerial and flora and fauna testing only, or whatever the fuck, by the time it gets to the UK or Hungary, it goes to so many people, and so many little degenerates will be recruited. But by the time they use this shit, it's gonna be used on people, myself, women, and even children. I said that before. I saw with my own eyes how a child is being tortured with voice to skull and being burned with fucking microwave weapon. I mean, just no, I'm not even gonna say anything because, but anyway, I think it's good news. As I said, I think everyone should be doing it, but I understand that some people are scared. But they are fucking with you anyway, you know. So if you don't take legal action, if you don't leave your trace, you're just helping them because you basically say, yeah, continue. It's, you know, they kill you off one day and then you won't have any evidence, you won't have anything. If you go to court, maybe they attack you harder, but who gives a fuck? At least you will have a permanent record put in the fucking UK or whatever court you go to, their website, and all of the other victims can refer to that. And when they go to the court, and then when the others go to the court, I know about people going to the court right now in the UK, the European court. You are not alone. So the more people do it, they can refer to each other's cases, and the judge can no longer deny the fucking claim, because they will see that, oh shit, it happens in the UK, it happens in Hungary, it happens in America, it happens in Belgium. What the fuck? So yeah, I'm going for the most serious. I mean, the highest whatever is possible legally. I don't want to share details about it because I can't, as I said, but I will, at whatever it costs, I will fucking demand justice and compensation, and to stop these fucking attacks, not just on me, but other victims as well. So when I get a date, I will post another update, and hopefully, you know, I mean, what I expect is other corruption, but then again, other people who went to court before me, some of the judges weren't corrupt, and then some of them were. So, you know, it's their interest to stop this shit again, as well, because they gonna be attacked too. Not just me. I mean, nobody. You know, the people who are harassing me are sick people. Like, I can hear them, I see them, I saw them before, and I know them. They are degenerates. They brought out from prison. They grew up without parents, in groups. They are beating up each other every weekend, high, drunk, and they satanic, and they just fucked up in the head, disgusting people. They don't even know about themselves. They do something one day, and the next day they don't remember it. Those are the motherfuckers that are doing it. They are shit. They are just meaningless shit. But the people who employ them, now those are the people you have to go after, because they are the ones that are connected to secret services or those military contracts that are being on your name. And I know that there's a life insurance takeout, a life insurance policy on my name. I know that my identity was stolen. So there are just so many evidence out there, as well as you can see this line here. This is a directed energy weapon attack in West Ham, London, and it's permanent. It's now for 2 or 3 years. You can see the line here. When it was done, it was burning. It was like really red, but now you can still see it. Yeah, so that's all for now. I don't know what to expect, because I just wrote up my case. I have evidence in more places, so if they destroy one, if they hack one, it's stored elsewhere, so they can fuck themselves. MI5 can also go and fuck themselves. They can send their little fucking spies with their backpacks and directed energy weapons, and those fucking bullshit gang stalkers who gonna wait for you at the tube, and then they look at you because they want to be noticed, and then they follow you in a way that you would go like, oh no, oh my god, I'm followed. No, I'm so fucking scared. You know, but the funny thing is how stupid they are, because they use drug dealers. drug dealers are following you. So it make it so fucking easy for you. If they can get arrested for the gang stalking, then they can be arrested for the fucking drug rings. That is a huge fucking problem in the UK. So it's win-win for us. So that's why I'm saying you shouldn't go like, oh my god, it's too big, it's too many people involved, they are too powerful, they have weapons and I don't have anything. It's not true, and you're not alone. If you just go on X or Twitter or whatever the fuck it's called, you can see thousands of I was scrolling the fucking social media, which I'm not on social media because I hate it. It's like a toilet of the internet. But I was just scrolling, and it's just so many victims, incredible victims too. People from all over, people who writers, doctors, lawyers, ex-military veterans, single mothers, but just regular families, and they all have the fucking evidence right there on the internet. So there's just no way to. And then that report from Catherine Herridge, I don't know her name because I didn't know her before, but she's a journalist and she's quite famous. She reported about directed energy weapon abuse just recently, which is fucking great because it's just one step away from the truth. So they're pumping gases all the time when I sleep or when I'm staying, so I'm breathing in probably bacterium and all this shit. So that's why my face looks like that, like red here, it just looks fucked up. Because that's one of the things they like to do, is to make you look like you were a drug addict or an alcoholic for plausible deniability. So they could get away with this shit. But they cannot. Because they just cannot. Now they're burning my fucking ear. See, this is just I said that now, and they're burning my right ear. Like, and that's what they do to me. For example, I go on during the day and I would have my own thoughts, but I cannot have my fucking thoughts because this shit is reacting to literally everything, every fucking thought. But anyway, that's all I wanted to share for now. Take care.